So today is Sunday, and some of the shops are not open. Some of them are closing earlier today. So I'm on the London Road shops. This is London Road Street. Here's the post office. There's one of the restaurants, bar, pub, cafe, everything in today. There's a Domino's, fast food chains. Look at the sunlight, it's shading in the street. There's also a pub. I've seen a lot of more. That's graffiti on the walls. And these are the small shops with a high revenue. The bikers are making their way towards London, I guess. A bicycle stand. This is one of the Gym Group's branch here on the London Road shops. That's the Gym Group. You see small shops. We have like vape shop, what do you call it? Barber shop, and some local shops. There's a British Heart Foundation, Home Store, bargain buys, big brands, big discounts. Look at this Victorian architecture. And this is a BT advertisement, and we got D-Nails. This is a BT tower where they can advertise. You can use a free Wi-Fi, and this has the highest speed, Wi-Fi speed. We buy pounds, we buy gold watches and diamonds. Look at this building. Astonishing. Look at the architecture, the streets, footpath. Somebody parked their bike in the footpath. In the open store. This is traffic lights. The mobile repair shop. The CEX is a entertainment exchange shop where you can buy and sell your used products. We have here, and that one is open market. I'll go in the open market later. There's one of the bus stops in front of the Poundland, and next to Poundland there is a PureGym. I would like to go in the gym now. I wanted to go to the loo. And that's the pub, cafe, bar, venue. First time I wanted to go to the loo.